Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use your referral code on Shein in 2024. Guys, actually really easy and simple. So first things first guys, you want to log in to Shein first, okay? Or sign up if you haven't already, okay? And then you want to come here. If you want to use your referral code, you see this profile icon right here. Okay, it's going to give you a drop down menu, guys. You want to click on this my coupons, guys. This is what you want to click on. You can see other coupons right here up here, but that's just what you want to click on coupons. And then guys, you're going to see right here my coupons is going to be loading, and we're going to get a bunch of different coupons we can choose from for offers that we can use during our purchases. All right, guys, so this is unused coupons. There are no unused coupons right now. It seems like, okay, it has refreshed, and now I have. So this one will give me $6 off subscription fees. We have 40% off, which is capped at $32 at orders $49 plus. These are really good offers, guys. These are really good coupons. Look at this, capped at $15, orders 9.9 plus. So basically, if you buy $20 worth of goods, you get $10 off, guys. Literally. So, and if you and it's capped at $15. So basically, if you buy $30 worth of goods, it's gonna give you up to 15% off. And anything above that, then it's gonna stay capped at $15, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course,